Imagine you're playing a board game. Would you just move pieces randomly? Or would you have a plan to win? Businesses work the same way, and that plan is called strategic management. Let's break it down in the easiest way possible. What is strategic management? Strategic management is how companies make long-term plans to reach big goals. It's like a GPS for a business. It shows where you are, where you want to go, and how to get there. Famous definition. Strategic management is the art and science of formulating, implementing, and evaluating cross-functional decisions that help an organization achieve its objectives. Fred R. David. Famous quote. Strategy without tactics is the slowest route to victory. Tactics without strategy is the noise before defeat. Sun Tzu. Why do companies need strategy? Without a strategy, a company is like a ship without a captain, just floating aimlessly. With strategy, they know what to focus on, how to beat competitors, how to grow in the future. Example, Apple's strategy is to focus on premium stylish tech. Walmart's strategy is low prices for everyone. Different strategies, same goal, success. 4 main steps in strategic management. Let's simplify this into 4 steps, like solving a mystery. Step 1, where are we now? This means studying the company's current situation. Example, are our products selling well? What are our strengths and weaknesses? Step 2, where do we want to go? This is the goal-setting part. Example, we want to double sales in 2 years, or we want to open 50 new stores. Step 3, how do we get there? This is the strategy-making part, deciding what actions to take. Example, let's launch new products, or let's enter new countries. Step 4, are we on track? This means checking progress regularly and changing the plan if needed. Example, sales are down. Let's fix our ads or improve customer service. Real-life example. Let's say a pizza shop wants to grow. Step 1, they study their sales and competitors. Step 2, their goal is to become the best pizza chain in town. Step 3, they launch new flavors and improve delivery speed. Step 4, they track reviews and weekly sales to stay on course. That's strategic management in action. So next time you hear the word strategy, just think it's a game plan to win in business and in life. With strategic management, companies don't leave success to luck. They create a clear plan and follow it step by step. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more fun lessons like this one.